my house. It's not invited to this. Admin. Oops. Hi, Owen. Good to see you. How are you doing? Good. You can hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Hi, guys. Hi, Leo.
Wait. Wait. And I have to do video here.
Waiting for a few more people, so we'll give them a little bit more time. And I'm still gathering my things.
I think we need to use the iPad because it's not working. So.
You guys are able to hear each other, I think. So feel free to chat while I get the lesson ready. And I want to make sure everybody that wants to be here has a chance to join. So I'm going to give them just a minute.
Sorry, we're a couple minutes late. I had to finish something else, but he's here.
Oh, no problem at all. No problem. I had a lesson back to back with this one. So I need a minute to gather myself as well. So, hey, Jack, good to see you. Jack, I love your sunny yellow kitchen. It just makes me happy every time I see it.
Thank you. That's so kind of you to say that.
You'll notice I'm trying, well, you can't really see right now. I'm trying to find some pictures to hang up behind me because I'm getting tired of my blank wall back there.
My room or something.
Do you ever have to use the keyboard for this?
Nah, I just watch.
Okay. Is everything in there for you?
Yeah. We go. I didn't know we could take this off.
It's kind of a neat
Can you not?
video though, so make sure you carry it on the sides. I trust you.
Hide the video.
Yeah, it'll minimize it because it's a touch screen, but I trust you to walk carefully.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get my something.
All right, so we've got, take attendance here. Wait, where'd my pen go? Oh, you guys, anybody else getting tired of the online learning?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Oh, okay. So I've got Arish. Great. Good morning, Arish. Arish is coming to us from San Francisco this morning.
He's in San Francisco.
Look at his background. Leo is here. Jack is here. And
Golden Gate Bridge, right? And
Owen is here. Excellent. Okay. Hopefully, just a couple more will turn up. But I don't want to wait too long because I want to get right into the lesson. Okay.
Remember when it said Kimberly?
So does anybody know what affixes are? Is that a word you've heard before? No. Okay. Well, along with the lesson in Google Classroom, I have given you these charts. You recognize these from our classroom, don't you? They hang up in the language section. And you've seen the children working with them. So I have given you these charts. They are in Google Classroom. You can print them, but you don't absolutely have to print them because you can also just look at them on the computer for the work that you're going to be doing. If you happen to have printed them for the lesson, great, but you do not need that. You can go look at them later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my camera so that you're able to look at the material from the classroom. So I'm just going to do that quickly. No, not that way, Mrs. Fortun.
I heard like beep.
Okay.
PlayStation. Act.
Okay, now tell me, are these words right side up for you?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because they are upside down for me and backwards.
Act.
Okay, so I have made some words here with our old friend,
Mrs. Fortun.
the small movable alphabet. Yes.
Why does it say act, act, act?
Leo, I'm getting ready to tell you. Okay? So if you listen carefully, you're going to see it all make sense. So I have our movable alphabet here. I'm pretty sure you guys do not have one of these at home, although maybe one of you might. But it's not necessary because I use the movable alphabet for the lesson, and then after that, I'm going to show you how to do it on paper. So I have written the word act, but you know what? I don't know that act is really what I wanted to say. Maybe what I wanted to say was actor, a person who acts. Maybe that's what I meant to say. Or actually, maybe instead of actor, I wanted to say acting. So now I have three words. I have act, actor, and acting. In these three words, which part do you hear that's the same over and over again? In act, actor, acting. What part is the same over and over again? Go ahead and call it out to me. Act. I hear somebody saying act. Okay. So do you guys notice that? We have act every time.
Yep.
In this one, actor, there's a little bit that's been added on to the word act. What is that little bit? Or, yeah. So I'm actually going to take that and make it red.
That's a photogram.
I'm going to make that little bit red. Now, how about in the word acting? We have act, but what's the little bit that got added on?
Ing.
Ing, yep. So let's take that and let me make it red.
I-N.
So now we can really see these little bits that got added on to the word act. And in the words act, actor, and acting, remember the part that was the same every time? That was act. We call that the root word or the base word. That was the word that started us off. And then we had these little bits that got added on. We had or and ing. Those are not words in and of themselves. They're just little bits that get added on to change the root word just a little.
What?
So I'm going to show you another one.
What?
Okay, so maybe this time I'd like to say, sorry, this is another time where it's a lot less fun to watch me move the materials around. Okay, what word am I making this time?
Jump.
Jump, very good. But you know what?
Jump.
I don't know that I wanted to say jump. Maybe what I wanted to say was, maybe it's already over the jumping. Maybe it happened already. And what I want to say is jumped.
Jumped.
What else could I say? I could
Jumping.
say jumped, or maybe
Jumping.
jumping.
How about jumping? How about jump in the bed?
Yeah, I could say that. There we go. Okay. So now I have jump, jumped, and jumping. What do you think is the root word or the base word in this series? What's the word that everything is based on? What do you hear over and over?
Jump.
Jump. We have jump each time. In the word jumped, what is the little bit that got added on?
Jumped.
Well, we have the word jumped, and our base word, our root word is jump. So what's the little bit that got added on?
Ed.
Yeah, this ed got added on. That's how we knew it happened in the past, right? I'm going to change that to another color so we can see that little bit that got added on. And then how about in the word jumping? What's the little bit that got added on there? Yeah, the ing. Very good, guys. The ing got added on. So we're going to change that to, oops, how about if I don't put it upside down? We're changing that to red so that we can see it. Okay, so now we can very clearly see our root word or base word, jump. And then we have these little bits that got added on that change the root word just a little bit. Okay? These little bits that are added on, hey Jack, I need your attention please, buddy. Thank you. These little bits that got added on, they are called suffixes. They are affixes, but there is a certain kind of affix called a suffix. Okay? All right, I'm going to show you another one. Okay, this time.
How about fish?
Ooh, fish would be good.
Fan?
Maybe next time we could do fish.
Okay.
But this time I'm going to do this word. What does this say, Leo?
Fit. Fit.
Fit. Yeah, this is fit. And move it a little bit. Okay, but you know what? Maybe I didn't really want to say fit. Maybe what I wanted to say was misfit. You know what a misfit is, right? Something that doesn't quite fit in. That's a misfit. Okay. Or maybe what I wanted to say was outfit. That's a nice outfit today. Outfit. This time we have fit, misfit, outfit. Which part do you hear over and over again?
Fit.
Fit, yeah. So this time our base word or root word is fit. And here in this word misfit, what part got added on?
Miss.
Yeah, the miss. That's the part that got added on. So I'm going to change that to red so that you can see it. Okay, it's not a word all by itself. It's just a little bit that got added on. And how about here in this word, outfit?
Out.
Out is the little bit that got added on. Now, out can be a word, right? But it's not a word in this case. It's just a little bit that got added on. So we have another kind of affix.
Oh, I see. I know what
This,
Those are all words.
they are. But what's different, guys, about this affix? What's different about this affix?
The red part is now at the front.
Yes, Owen, exactly right. Now our affix is being added at the beginning of the word instead of the end. So this kind of affix is called a prefix. So we have prefixes that are added at the beginning of the word. And do you remember what the other kind is called when they're added at the end of the word?
Suffixes.
Yeah, very good, Arish, very good. Those are called suffixes. Okay, so we have prefixes and suffixes. Excellent. I'm going to switch you back to my face. Okay, and so you have seen in the classroom when the kids are using these charts, and you see I have a whole list of prefixes here. I have, oh, there's the one at the top that we just did, fit, misfit, outfit, and another one, refit. Okay, so what the kids in the classroom are doing when they use these charts is they're choosing a line of words to practice. You have these charts in Google
I have to
Classroom.
cross that out.
And here's how I'm gonna instruct you to practice them. Okay, Leo, I'm giving some instructions now. So do you wanna listen so you'll know what to do?
Yeah,
Okay,
because I see fit.
yeah, you see it there, huh? Okay, so you'll notice the ones in the classroom have these strings so you can hang them. And I bet you have observed the kids hanging them all over the place, on the doors, on the lockers, on the cabinets, propping them up on the chalkboard. You've seen them all over. Do you know why they're putting them all over the room like that? It's for the same reason that I ask you to put your finger charts when you're doing math facts. I ask you to put your finger charts far away because that makes it a memory activity. So what I want you to do is keep the chart, Jack. We're in the middle of a lesson now, so that's not going to be a great time for us to look at your I forget what those are called. So I'm excited about it, but it's not the right time. Okay. The reason we want these far away from where you're doing your writing is so that you are keeping the words in your mind. So if you have these printed, place them far away from where you're doing the writing. If you're looking at these on the computer screen, then take your writing and move far away from the computer so that you are coming to the chart and reading the list of words and then going far away to write them down. And here's how you're going to write them. So let me go to my suffix chart. And we already did jump, jumper, and, well, we didn't do jumpy, but that would have been a good choice. Let me see. Let's do, here at the bottom, we have kind, kindly, kindness. Okay, so my chart is far, far away from me. And I'm going to go read that. And then I'm gonna come over here. Let me switch my camera again to show you my paper. Oh, okay. And I have some colored pencils. So this is what you will need for your work. You'll need a writing pencil and a colored pencil. I'm going to use a black colored pencil rather than a writing pencil because I want you to be able to see it. So what was the first word on the chart? Kind. So I'm going to write kind. And what was the next word?
We just demonstrated.
Who remembers? Shall we go back to the chart and look? Let's pretend I'm walking across the house to go back and look at my chart. What was the next word? Kind. Kindly. Okay, so now we're walking back to where our writing is. And we're going to write kind. And I'm going to put the ly in a color. Okay, do you remember what the next word was? Okay, well, we'll go look at our chart again. What was the next word?
Kindness.
Kindness. Please note that I am writing in cursive. Even though my materials are in print, I'm still going to write in cursive. And I can use whatever colors I want. I don't have to use red every time. And after you're done with that, you're going to go pick another line of words from your chart.
What about conform?
And you have,
Conform?
Leo, let me get back to you in just a second, okay? You have both the suffix chart and the prefix chart in Google Classroom, so you can practice both of them. Are these the only words with suffixes and prefixes?
Because I don't know what is this means.
So there are lots and lots and lots of words with suffixes and prefixes besides the ones on these charts. So after you've practiced all of these, you may start collecting words that you hear that have suffixes and prefixes with them, okay? You might even make a list of those words that you hear throughout the day. If mom says, are you ready for lunch? Lunch will be happening shortly. What word could you collect for your suffix?
Like,
Shortly. Shortly would be a word that has a suffix, yes. If I say, ooh, I can't find all of my pencils, what would be the word with the suffix?
Pencil.
Pencils, yes. The suffix,
Because
the letter S is a suffix in the word pencils. Go ahead.
because how about
Okay, Leo.
from?
What is your question, Leo?
From.
The word from?
Yeah, like from milk.
I don't think from has a suffix. I think from is just a word all by itself.
Okay.
Yeah. But I would like you to start, Leo, by using the words from the charts. Okay? And you're going to practice them just like we talked about here. Now, I used paper that doesn't have lines, but you guys should go ahead and use your handwriting paper. Okay? And do a lot of practice with us, okay? Any other questions? Okay, well, you have everything you need in Google Classroom to be able to practice this lesson. So let me know how it goes. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay.
Okay, great. Thanks for coming to the lesson, guys. It was a lot of fun. And I'll post the video of this lesson too, so you can see it. Oh yes, Alden, did you have a question?
No.
Okay.
Bye.
I will post the video from this lesson so that you guys can watch it again if you would like to review before you practice. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. I'll see you at Read Aloud. Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm going to leave the meeting.
Okay, bye, Leo.